In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create YouTube thumbnails in ChatGPT 2026 full guide. Thumbnails are the first impression your video makes, so clarity, contrast, and a strong focal point matter. Inside the chat interface, you have two simple ways to create that eye-catching artwork. You can start from scratch by describing exactly what you want the AI to generate, or you can edit an existing photo by tapping the plus icon to upload a reference image from your device, or using the camera icon to snap a new one. Starting from scratch is perfect when you have a clear concept. Editing a photo works well if you already have a screenshot, a headshot, or a brand image you'd like to build around. Great results come from precise prompts. Think about 4 ingredients. First, the subject. What should instantly grab attention? Second, details and style. Call out specifics like clean modern design, bold text area, or realistic style. Third, mood and lighting. Words like energetic, warm, or cinematic lighting set the visual tone. Fourth, aesthetic references. Mention styles you want to emulate or avoid to guide composition and color choices. Since thumbnails are small on mobile, include practical notes such as Yatin 16:9 aspect ratio, space for a big headline, and high contrast. A sample prompt might be create a 1280 by 720 YouTube thumbnail for a tech tutorial titled Speed Up Your PC with a clean desk scene, bold headline space on the left, vibrant teal and charcoal palette, cinematic lighting, modern minimal style, and avoid busy backgrounds. If you're editing a photo, upload it first, then describe your goal clearly, like add a bright border, enhance contrast, and leave room for large text on the right. Higher resolution sources produce cleaner results, so start with the best image you have. When the image loads, tap it to view full screen. Take a moment to zoom in and check edges, skin tones, and text legibility. Ask yourself whether the main subject is instantly readable at phone size. If it looks good, use the on-screen options to save it to your camera roll or share it via your preferred apps. For refinements, stay in full screen and use the Select tool to highlight exactly where you want changes. After selecting, describe the tweak, such as change the background to a soft beige gradient or brighten the subject's face slightly. If you need multiple edits, list them in numbered order to keep instructions clear. To maintain a consistent visual style across a series, reuse a strong result as a reference in the same conversation and ask the AI to match its color palette, lighting, and composition. And that's it. Mastering image generation lets you bring your ideas to life with just a few thoughtful prompts.